Yo, what's up guys, Razor Affiliate here and welcome to new video on my channel. Today I recording Keydrop. I got 1.5k on my balance. Before I start, don't forget to follow me on my Kick account and don't forget to follow me on my Twitter account. You can watch my streams on Kick every night, Monday to Friday. You can join on giveaways on my Twitter. You can turn on notifications. Before I start, don't forget to use my promo code Razor Affiliate. Just connect your Steam account, click add fonts in top right corner. In a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply for 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. Also, you can click on promotional code in top left corner and you can enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click collect. If you're looking for free gold on Keydrop, just click free gold section, scroll down and you can find steps how to claim it, easy steps. Also on Keydrop you can join on events, giveaways, tournaments. You can check this one event, Need for Skins event. You can open it for skin cases and you can claim nitro points. I will try with brand cases. I'll try with 5 cases, $25, and let's see, can we hit one profit skin? We can't. Okay guys, let's try with case battles on Keydrop. Let me see, can I join on, I need to create new case battle. I can join this one, $60. Already full. I will create my own case battle. I will start with knives. 2 knives, $310, this one case battle, and let's see, we need only one player to join. Okay, nobody joined. I can try with bot this one. I'll try with bot Lepaji and let's see. Come on, we need one good hit. Okay, first one is not bad, $105. Last one, please don't be dead. Drop. Yeah, okay, that's not bad. It's win, I think. Yeah, nice start guys. $403. Okay, let me check. Okay, $76 this one case battle, 11 cases, 5 Mia cases and 3 Letty cases. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, this one for not bad. Let's see Mia cases. $21, come on, just keep, man. Draw one huge skin, please. I need one huge. Okay, this YK, how much is that? 11 field tested. That's not bad, but I need better one. Okay, 2 more Mia cases left. 2 more Mia cases. This one, Desert Eagle, 40 cents, man. Only 40. Please, do one knife. Butterfly lure, why you bait me? That's not profit, man. I need better skins, please. This one case battle is $76. I need one good hit, man. Last one case, guys. Last one case. That's so bad, man. That's so bad. Alright, I will try with upgrade now. I'll try all in 2x, guys. This one, Ursus Knife Fade. Wish me luck. Stop. Okay, $928. Okay, that's nice. Let's try with contracts now. Okay, $9. And I got $5 AVP. Right, 1k $83 left. Let's create one more case battle. Or I can join maybe. Let me check. I can join. That's only low price case battles, man. Okay, I'll create glows case battle. 2 pairs of glows and tin case. I'll try tin case. 3 cases. $311 this one. And we need 1 player. Okay, YouTuber. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. This one. Okay, first one. That's so bad. So bad, man. Drop 1 good. Okay, this one. 364. Holy shit, man. Holy shit. That's nice. That's nice. Come on. Just keep. Draw 1 knife, maybe. 1 knife. Man. Okay, that's not bad. $660. Holy shit. Maybe this one, Bowie knife case hardened. Wish me luck, guys. Looks good. Stop. $542. Okay, that's huge one. Okay, 1 more upgrade. 5x. This one knife. That's not 5x, that's 2x. Okay, I can hit this one, but no problem, man. No problem. Okay, 1 more case battle. 2 knives. 3 players, and let's see. I will add what's here. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck this one. Please don't be toxic. Drop 1 fade knife. Ah, that's so bad. Last one. Unlucky this one. $400 this one case battle. Only 3 cases, guys. And we need 1 player to join this one. For a huge profit, please. Let's join, dude. Let's join. Alright, 1 player joined. Guys, this one is huge, please. Huge one, and first one, so bad, man. Okay, $25. A little bit $25. Don't be that, man. Please drop something better. Ah, he got minimal wear M4. And last one, so bad, dude, so bad. That's low profit for him. That's so bad. Okay, last one case battle. I'll try 10 cases, 3 of them, and I can try with 1 YouTuber case maybe. Alright, let's see this 1 case battle. Give me bot, yeah. Let's see. Okay, first one for $6. That's so bad. Okay, $25 this one battles card, now Razor. And last one thing case. So bad, so bad. Okay, YouTuber cases, 3 of them. We need 1 knife. We need 1 knife. Oh my god, man. Last one. Last one, please. Okay, that's not bad. How much? 71. Okay, upgrade. I'll try with this one knife, 32%. Okay, No way, unlucky. Okay guys, not bad today on Keydrop. I made huge profit. So if you're looking for best promo code on Keydrop, you can claim free 50 cents with my promo code and you can get 10% bonus at every deposit. Just click add funds in top right corner in the promo code box, enter my promo code Razor affiliate and just click apply. On left side you can find payment methods. You can pay by crypto, skins, gift cards, Visa card, MasterCard and more. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye.